Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Welcome to students. Welcome to this session. Good afternoon, all. So I'm sure my screen is visible. So yesterday we have seen the security controls available in Tele. Two types of security controls we already seen. One is a Tele Vault password, and second one is a security user access security controls. Under that we have seen three types of users are available by default. The one is administrator, the second one is data entry operator, and third one is a owner. And after checking the difference between the administrator, data entry operator, and owner, we have seen the how can we create the user roles. Anybody have some query regarding that? Because today I am going to give you the one more example for that. Any issue regarding that? Who have completed the practice for that? Did you find any query now? So we are going to learn the next under the security control. When you enable the security control, then there is a one more feature, that is the audit feature. That is the audit feature. Then you can again enable the audit feature. Okay. So first of all, we are going to learn the audit feature. We already seen all these things. Backup and restore. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you today the backup and restore also. First, we will see the audit and security. Now, let me share the screen, Tele screen first. Okay, CMA was the password, and this is the administrator password. Okay. Now, administrator can start the Tele audit feature from here, company. Then here is the option of securities. Here is the option of security. Then under the security, there is an option of audit. Enable the audit. Yesterday, I gave you the understanding on like email for browser access, and then like the administrator password. Then there is an option of enable audit feature. Set it yes. And then disallowed opening in education mode. We already understood why it should not be set yes. Then press Control A. After enabling the audit feature, they see till date what is the problem. Okay, presently I am going to disable it. Okay, till date what is the problem? Suppose this is a company and the company is opened by the presently the Kavita. Then suppose again the Tele is open, and then the common password is CMA, then Komal is going to be open it. Okay, now you can check here. Now this is opened by the Komal. Then again the company is opened by the another user. Three users are there for presently. Then common password, then Naman. Okay, now you can check who am I. Now Naman is open. Then again I am going to open the company. This is the fourth one object. This is the common password. Then company is opened by the Romil. Okay, then I can check who am I. It's a Romil. I think so. One other was there, Aman. So Tele is opened by the 5 users right now. 5 users open the Tele. Okay, now see 5 users open the Tele. This is Aman. Okay, and this is Romil. Then this is Aman. This is Kavita, Aman, Kavita, Romil. This is Naman. And the last one is Komal. So 5 users are there. Aman, Naman, Kavita, Romil, and Komal. All have the different rights. We already seen. All have the different rights. But the problem is when I checked from here, daybook, in a daybook, when I checked the entries, now here is who passed the entry, here is not written. Who passed the entry, here is not written. Even Kavita cannot check who passed the entry. Okay, even Kavita cannot check who passed the entry. Even the Kavita is an administrator, right? So for that, see, we cannot check who passed the entry. And there is no feature related to that. Press F12. There is no feature related to that. Who passed the entry. So for that, we have to enable the audit feature. And who can enable the audit feature? Only Kavita. Kavita is an administrator. So go to the company, then security, and then set it yes, enable audit feature. Then control it. Now you are getting in the daybook, Alt F2, then these are the complete entries. But I want who passed it, then there is a option in a press F12, there is an option show entered or altered by. See? Is it clear? Entered and altered by. Who altered the entry and who entered the entry. You can check. But for that, you should enable the audit feature, right? For that, you should enable the audit feature. Is it clear? This is a very good feature, believe me. This is the very good feature. Is it clear? Is it clear? Who used this option? Who entered the entry? Only here is written entered by, entered by, entered by, and everything is entered by. There is no written altered by. Anybody? See, I sent you, like, definitely you are getting the files from the institute, and there are the files for the January, February, March, April till December. I sent you the files, 12 files I already sent you for the Excel, because yesterday I gave you the one example of the from folder. From folder, how can we extract the data from folder? So just copy 11 files in a single folder. In one file, December file, it should be outside. And use that option, that is extracted the data from folder. And then use group by option, because I told you about how can we use the group by option, so that for every month we can check the cells. Then the moment we will copy the December file in the same folder, and then after the refresh, we will get the 12 number group also. Is it clear? Suraj, you are asking na file se kya karna hai? Yesterday I gave you the example. Make sure you are getting properly. बताओ मुझे, सूरज, आगे बढ़ने से पहले ये बता दो. Is it clear? Please. No, actually that 12 file for the MS Office, and then Tally के लिए भी आपके पास files आई हैं, and then we are going to do that example simultaneously, because I sent you the one Tally file that is just transaction for security controls. We will do during the session. That example we will do during the session. Please find that file. Is it there or not? Transaction for security controls. Okay, no issue. If you are not attending the Tally class, then it depends on you. You should ask to your institute why you are not attending the MS Office class. Suraj, kya hua? Your answer is not clear, ma'am. What happened? Okay, fine. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. See, I sent you these files, month-wise data. I sent you these files, and December file is. But see, when you want to use the extract the file from folder, then from folder, in that case December file should not be there. सिर्फ 11 महीने की files को यहाँ copy कर दीजिएगा, and then extract the files from folder, and using the query Power Query editor, use the group by option, so that you will check कि month wise total sale कितनी है आपकी. Okay, and then अगर आपने इंपोर्ट कर लिया, उसके बाद आपने मंथ वाइज सेल निकाल ली, देन फिर क्या आप करिएगा नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, दिसंबर फाइल को फिर यहाँ पे कॉपी कर लीजिएगा मंथ वाइज डेटा में, एंड देन फिर वहां पे आप उसको रिफ्रेश कर लेंगे तो यू विल गेट द ऑल मंथ्स क्यूमुलेटिव सेल. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? अब बता दो सूरज. Okay. Suraj, your answer is I didn't receive mail for MS Office class. So you are not attending the class now. So if you are not attending the class, and if it is in your not in your criteria, so no need to do the MS Office assignments. Only Tally assignments you should do. Okay. So please students take care, because every time you are asking the same question again and again and again. Suppose you are only attending the MS Office class, because of the maybe the validation, maybe the consent trend, only you are getting the link for the MS Office and you are attending the MS Office class. So do the MS Office assignment. And if you are getting only the Tally class as link and then you are attending the Tally class, then do the Tally class assignment. And just maybe by the end of this week, I'll send you the one email ID, so that you all just secure it, save कर लो अपने पास जितने भी assignments, and secure it and send it to me at the end of the class, after the end of the sessions. Okay. Please don't ask the question again and again. Yes, I'll show how to send the data from Tally. Yeah. I'll give you the understanding ki how to send the data from Tally. But before that, we should complete the today's session topic ना. पहले आज के सेशन का टॉपिक कंप्लीट हो जाए, देन आई विल टेल यू द व्हाटएवर द क्वेश्चन इज देयर कि हाउ टू सेंड द डेटा फ्रॉम द टेली. टेली से डेटा कैसे सेंड करना है मैं इसका आंसर दूंगी, पर पहले क्वेश्चन तो कंप्लीट, पहले आज का टॉपिक तो कंप्लीट हो जाने दीजिए. डोंट आस्क द. हाँ, सेम ईमेल भेजूंगी, एक ही ईमेल आईडी रहेगा जिसपे आपको सेंड करना रहेगा. शुड आई मूव हेड, आगे बढ़ूं? नाउ प्लीज टेल मी हु अंडरस्टूड द ऑडिट फीचर. अभी मैंने जो ऑडिट इनेबल करके आपको बताया, शो एंटर्ड और अल्टर्ड बाय, किसको समझ में आ गया? Is it understood? Okay. So now after enabling the audit feature, you can check who entered the entry, but you cannot check who altered the entry. Okay. For example, suppose this is the sales entry. This is the sales entry which passed on 1st August 25. Now, suppose Tally opened by the Romil and Romil want to alter that entry, that is sales entry. In a day book, he alter this entry. Okay, instead of 10, he changed the quantity 15. Control A. Now the now entry is altered by. So now again when it checked, then here previously it was entered by the Aman. Now it is entered by the Romin. It is not altered by the Romin. It should be the altered by the Romin. Why so? Because see, unless until entry is not audited, you can alter it. But once you audit the entry, then if the entry is altered, then it will gives you the message. So how can we audit the entry? This is the main question. Is it clear? समझ आया क्या? See, right now, no entry is audited. कोई भी entry, no one entry is audited. So that's why कोई भी इसको alter करेगा तो यहाँ पे entered by की जगह उसका नाम लिखा हुआ आ जाएगा. But I want the entry who altered the entry. It should be the information should be there. So for that you should audit the entry. Is it clear? So entry audit कैसे करते हैं वो देख लीजिए. So to audit the entry, only Kavita is eligible to audit the entry because Kavita is an administrator. Kavita is eligible for audit the entry because Kavita is the administrator. So display more reports, statement of accounts, then tally audit and voucher types. Now in a payment, purchase, receipt and sales. One entry is sales. Sales की एक ही entry है. I opened that entry. यहाँ लिखा हुआ entered. I checked this entry and I want to audit this entry. I check this entry ki this is the correct entry. Now I want to audit this entry. So from here I can accept the entry. Alter R. Alter R is a shortcut key to accept the entry. अब आप जब वापस से entry check करोगे ना तो आपको ये entries नहीं मिलेंगी because one entry is audited by you. One entry is audited by you. Now, if you wish to check the entry, then you can check the entry in the daybook. Entry is there. But because of the entry is audited, so on the tally audit screen, it will not there. It was not there. Now entry is there, right? Now, because this entry is audited, so now again the tally is opened by the somebody else like Komal. Now Komal wants to alter this entry, but Komal is a purchase manager. Komal cannot alter this entry. So again, the Naman opened that entry in the day book. From the day book, Naman alter that entry, and Naman altered the price and the cost, price and the quantity also, both 62500. Enter, and press Ctrl A. Now Kavita can check here, escape and then again enter. See, now we can check altered by Naman on 30th July. Is it? So once you audit the entry, you can check who altered the entry. But unless until entry is not audited, you cannot check who altered the entry. See, it's still not, but rest entries or only have the entered by. But because Indore customer, now it is the entry is because in Indore, like sales entry is the audited entry. Sales entry was the audited entry. So that's why we cannot alter. If we alter, then it will return here the altered by Naman. Is it clear? Please check. Is it clear? Please like concentrate on the class apart from the assignments and everything. Like we will talk about this, but at the end of the session. Okay. But please concentrate on the class. What I taught you just now. How I audit the entry, how the like now the tally will catch who is going to be altered the entry. Who altered the entry? Is it clear? Is it clear? Please answer me fast. Okay. Should I move for the next? So now the thing is, suppose I want to alter the, I want to audit the another entry because see, as I'm entered by the administrator, so I can audit the entry. So I can check from where I can check statement of accounts, tally audit, and voucher types. Now here it is showing me the one entry is altered by. See, here is the entry. Now I want to audit this payment entry also. The payment is made by made in July. And who made the payment? Aman. I can check here the Aman made the payment. So I want to audit this entry. So on 2nd July, the 25,000 payment was there. It should be audited. So alter R and alter R. Payment entry is already audited. But the thing is that again, like again the Naman change this entry 1/4 and then payment entry. F4 key, you can check the payment entry. Now Naman entered the entry and again he changed the amount 1,25,000. Control A. Now again the second payment is also there, that is the Indore dealer. Again he altered the figure here 75,000. And this one also. Because these are the audited entry, we cannot alter the entry. But see, because Naman have the rights to alter the entry, so Naman is and change the entry. Now Kavita can check who entered and altered the entry. Then escape, then daybook. Alt F2. See, here is altered by Naman, and altered by Naman. Because only two entries are audited. One entry, this one entry was not audited. So that's why here is not written altered by who altered this entry. But these are the entries which are audited entries. So we cannot alter that. But still Naman altered that. So here it is written altered by who altered this entry. Is it clear? Is it clear? Should I move for the next? Like, I'm sure like nobody is doing today. Who is doing simultaneously? Please answer me. Okay. Now, so with the help of tally audit, you can check who entered the entry and who altered the entry. Now again there is an option of, on the display more report, there is an option of analysis and verification. Analysis and verification. The first option is data analysis. Then verification of chart of account. You want to verify all the ledgers, then you can verify the ledgers. See, capital account, you should verify it. Then control A. Then again, cash account, you should verify it. Then control A. Then Indore customer, verified, then control. Okay. Now the thing is, in case we change the capital account, okay, this is the Komal. So Komal cannot alter the ledger account because Komal have the rights of the data entry operator. Now he can alter ledger. Now he altered Aman capital account. Control. Now please check. Data analysis, verification. See, here is a written Aman capital. Now it is altered. Previously, when it was verified, then the name was capital account. Now it is altered. So the now verification status has been changed. Now instead of verified, now it has been changed by, replaced by altered. Is it clear? Is it clear? Right. Now see, suppose you have the data of the 2 years. Naman is entering the data. And Naman presently the, like, suppose you are having the 120 and then 31st 3/6/2026. And like he entered the one entry on 31st March 25. He entered a one entry. 31st March 26. And he purchased the furniture. Fixed assets. Okay, for 25. Now one period is completed. Now again in the next period, 1/4/26 to 31st 3/27. Okay, now Komal entered the purchase entry in a new period. Voucher. Then first of all, the period should be the 4/26 to 31st 3/27. Now he purchased one entry, he passed one entry for the purchase. F2, F9. And then mode should be the item invoice. Then party name Indore, dealer. Purchase, then Hero Honda. Then, okay, he purchased on 1st April. $27.05. Okay, then again F2, 1/6. Then party name is dealer. Again he purchased the Hero Honda 20. Now we have the 2 years data. We have the 2 years data. And then Naman make the payment. Naman make the payment. So like cash will be reduced. F2, 1, like 2/8/27. First of all, we should change the period. Aman should change the period 1/4/26 to 31st 3/27. Then F2, there is 1/8/27, 1/9/27. He made the payment. F2, 1/7/27. Okay. 1/7/26. 1/9/26 should be. Okay, now he made the payment to the dealer against reference 1,50,000. Now we have the 2 periods data. Also, he passed one entry on 31st March 27 for depreciation. So F7 Alt C depreciation account. The indirect expenses. Control A. He passed, he up like he passed one entry for the depreciation. Now, Kavita, when the Kavita analyzes the data of the 2 years, display more reports, then analysis and verification data analysis. We have 2 periods. One is 26 to 27 and 25 to 26. Enter. Then you can all items. Right? You can analysis the both years data. Both years data you can analysis. See, here is a voucher data analysis and then verification of stock item. Is it clear? Now 2 years are there because we have 2 years data. One is for 26-27 and second one is 25-26. So from here and then press F12, then you want all items, then all items. See. Now the next is verification of stock item. Same thing. Verification of balances. So you can check 25-26 capital was 25 lakhs. Here is also the 25 lakhs. But current liabilities, sundry creditor 13 lakh 18 lakh 65,000 was in 26-27, but now it is 1,50,000 is already the debit. Now the balance is 13,50,000. And here it is opening balance. See, it is showing you the opening balance also. Is it clear? So this is the way how you can check the both years data. Or like suppose you are having the 3 years data or 4 years data or 5 years. Is it clear? In the furniture, like furniture is also available in. The balance was 25,000 debit balance. Opening balance in the full security example 26 is the opening balance for 25,000. And we applied the 2,500 depreciation. Now the closing balance is 22,500. This is the closing balance and this is the opening. Current assets 3455. Then 1,50,000 is credit. Then down the balance is 33.05. Is it clear? Anybody have some doubt? Okay. Should I move for the next? Is it clear? Anybody, please? Anybody, please? No? Okay, fine. Fine. So next is, see, data analysis, then verification analytical procedures. You can compare the two analytical procedures. Two procedures you can compare based group on. See, it should be the ledger group and then dealer. You can compare. This is the comparison report. This is the comparison report because see, only we have the Indore creditor as a sundry creditor. So instead of that, you can compare it with debtor. See, this is the like 26, 27. This is 25, 27. And we have the balance of creditor is debtor is a 11 lakh 25,000. And 18,065, say 18 lakh 65,000 credit balance. It is of creditor. The balance is of creditor. Is it? Okay. The next is pending documents. Pending documents means accounts receivable and payables report. So net payable is, net pending receivable is 11 lakh 25,000. And net pending payable is 18,065. 18 lakh 65,000. Then periodical payments and receipts. Periodical payments and receipts. For example, indirect expenses. Only depreciation is there, na? Purchase account. Okay. In this exact amount is not there, na? Because this is not a periodical. Then RSF, repeated transaction. This is very important. No repeated transaction is there. Repeated transaction means the transaction who have the same amount. So suppose I entered a one entry here in a tally, like this is the Naman. Presently Naman entered the depreciation entry. Okay, 31st March, and then I should open the another entries also. Now he make a duplicate entry of purchase 4,50,000. So by pressing the Alt F2, 2, we can make the duplicate entry. And it should be on second. Control A. Now duplicate entry is there 4,50,000. Now in the here you can then tally will got the repeated transaction. See, these are the repeated transaction. Previously it was not there. So you can got the repeated transaction by analysis. This option is only available after when you enable the tally audit feature. Otherwise, this option is not enabled. Because yesterday we haven't seen this tally audit feature, but today we have seen because tally audit is available only in the case of security controls. If you are using the security, then only you can enable the tally audit feature. Is it? Now there is an option of RSF. This is a very good option. RSF, that is a very good option, relative size factor. Now relative size factor is a what? First max divided by second max, that is the relative size max. सबसे बड़ा highest कौन सा है, second highest कौन सा है? So first max divided by second max is the factor is 2. 9 लाख को 9 लाख को 4,50,000 से डिवाइड करो तो आपका फैक्टर क्या आएगा 2. So RSF is a very important factor to analysis the data. डेटा एनालिसिस करने के लिए ये बहुत काम आता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज मैं एक और एंट्री पास कर देती हूँ यहाँ पे. ऑल टू नाउ आई पास दिस एंट्री बाय 12, है ना? तो अब सेकेंड हाईएस्ट कौन सा हो जाएगा? 5,40,000 रुपए. राइट, नाउ यू कैन चेक हियर. एस्केप करो. अब देखो आपका फैक्टर चेंज हो गया ना, 1.67 हो गया. Why? Because 9 lakh divided by 5,40,000. So first max divided by second max, that is the formula for the RSF, that is relative size factor. Verification के काम आता है ये. Relative size factor. Note down the formula, please. First max divided by second max, that is the formula for relative size factor. First max divided by second max. Is it clear? Suppose I enter the payment entry. मैंने भी 2 बार payment की entry कर दी. Okay. And this time I made a payment to against this. And then it is 2,50,000. And the payment is on second. It should be 2,50,000. Then second max will be 2,50,000. Now see, escape. Now you can check the relative size factor of the payment also. One, 25 to first 327. Then interbank transaction. Presently, we don't have the interbank transaction. What do you mean by the interbank transaction? What is the meaning of the interbank transaction, please? Yes. I'll open a new company. Everybody have the like one example. Okay, I'm opening that example. Just a minute. We will do this example simultaneously. Everybody have this example. We are going to start this example, okay? But first you should check all the options, whatever I'm going to tell you. Is it? So interbank transaction is bank to bank transaction. Now suppose Naman, because Naman is a owner, so Naman have the rights to create the banks. So presently he created a one bank, that is BOB account under bank. Okay, and control it. The second is SBI account. Bank account control it. Then he passed the entry vouchers F2. He passed the entry contra entry F4. Okay, cash 2 lakh rupees. He deposited in the BOB. Then control A, and control A. Now, next he entered on 110. He entered a one entry. He credited the Bank of Baroda by 10,000 and debited the SBI. So this is known as interbank transaction. This is known as interbank transaction. Now Kavita wants to check the interbank transactions. So here is an option of interbank transaction. See, here is an option. See, so you can check. Now you can verify it for the like on hold or verified or whatever. Suppose you verified it, control A. Now it is verified. But again, Naman altered this entry. Again, Naman altered this entry by 15,000. Then it will show me the altered entry. Now I can check here. Is it clear? Interbank transaction. Cash withdraw or deposited in the bank. See, we deposited in the bank through the cash. This is the entry. Everything we can check over here. This is the analytical process, analysis report, and this is especially for the audit purpose. Fixed assets analysis. I am having only the furniture. Then transaction on holiday. Sunday is usually the holiday. So presently there is no transaction on holiday. So I should check the, see, one is there on Sunday. 1st June 25 was Sunday, but still that we have the past, we already had the one transaction. So you have to give the, provide the clarification why the entry passed on Sunday. So you can check the Sunday voucher from here also, transaction on holiday. Then highest and lowest value transactions. See, highest and lowest value transactions. And pending advances. No advances is there. Is it? Now suppose you are having the Saturday and Sunday holidays, na? Then you have to configure, na? You have to configure. So through that, you can check everything now, voucher verification. From here, you can verify the vouchers also. Okay. Is it clear? Audit feature, I completed the audit feature by giving you the explanation on each and every point. Audit feature I completed. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? I completed the security controls with audit feature. Huh? Ma'am, today you are too fast with the transactions. Because see, nobody is like answering me anything, na? Okay, so please open this. We will do simultaneously and slowly we will do. Please open this exercise. Everybody got this exercise? Please confirm it. Everybody got this exercise? Please confirm it. Otherwise, you have to take the screenshot. You have to take the screenshot, please. Everybody have this exercise? Now answer me, please. I'm waiting for your answer. Surjit, answer though, please. I'm waiting for your answer. Or take the screenshot. If you are not getting this example, आपको अभी मिला नहीं है, रिसीव नहीं हुआ है, तो आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. Should I start? Should I start? You should like we are doing this simultaneously in the class. So just take the picture. Just take the screenshot if you don't have the assignment. Take the picture, please. Okay. Shall we start? Shall we start? Please confirm. Shall we start? Okay. So just shut down this company. I'm going to shut this company and I'm going to create a new company. Create a company with a name, transaction with security controls. Okay. Madhya Pradesh. Please. Is it clear? Created the company or not? Created a company or not? Everybody created the company. Okay, very good. So after creating the company, press Control A. Press Control A. Then disable the GST option. We don't want the GST. Disable the GST option. Control A. Is it clear? Now to enable the security control, two types of security we already have learned. One is a vault password. So just assign the vault password and make sure you are assigning the simple password 123 so that you can remember it. अगर आप भूल जाओगे तो फिर हम अपनी क्लास में कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. 123. Enter. Now vault password is there. Then this will close all the reports. Yes. And do you want to create a backup copy? No. 123. Enter कर लो. कर लिया? इज इट क्लियर? क्रिएटेड मैम, क्रिएटेड, ओके, कंप्लीटेड ना? एवरीबडी प्लीज कंफर्म, फिर नहीं तो आप बोलेंगे मैम फास्ट चले जाते हैं. Shall I move ahead? Okay. Now see, in the example, login as manager and create the master data. That mean what? Manager have the rights of the administrator. तो पहले हम क्या करते हैं, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर का लॉगिन बना लेते हैं. जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ, मैनेजर को ओनर बना देते हैं, अपने अपने नाम से एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बना लीजिए. कंपनी, देन सिक्योरिटी कंट्रोल्स, गो टू द सिक्योरिटी कंट्रोल, सेट इट यस. अपने अपने नाम से यूजर बनाइएगा प्लीज. अपने नाम मतलब ऐसे नहीं APNA लिख दें. मेरा नाम है जैसे कविता, तो आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट विथ कविता एंड पासवर्ड इज फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ योर नेम. प्लीज मेक श्योर सिंपल बनाइएगा. यहां से नन कर लीजिएगा. इनेबल टेली ऑडिट फीचर यस कर लीजिए. इज इट क्लियर? जल्दी करिए, टाइमिंग्स का प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, नाउ प्रेस, प्लीज डोंट enable to disallow opening its educational mode. It should be no. Control A. Now Kavita can create the users. तो कैसे बनाएंगे? कंपनी देन यूजर्स एंड पासवर्ड्स. कंपनी देन यूजर्स एंड पासवर्ड्स. Company, then users and passwords. One is a owner, manager, and password is simple. Simple दे दीजिएगा M. Then data entry operator, accountant A. फिर और क्या बना हुआ है? Accountant. Then again data entry operator. डेटा एंट्री ले लीजिएगा D. बनाइए, 3 यूजर्स बनाइए. कम ऑन फास्ट, फास्ट प्लीज. फास्ट प्लीज. Completed. Please confirm me. Just create 3 users and जो accountant है, he or she can only enter the account entry, means receipt and payment. Rest entry will be completed by the data entry operator. Accountant जो है, आप इसका नाम चाहें तो data entry का कुछ और रख सकते हैं, पर मैंने data entry रखा है. Is it clear? Okay. नाउ प्रेस कंट्रोल ए। नाउ आई वांट कि जो डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर है वो सिर्फ डेटा एंट्री कर पाए, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, देखें यहाँ पे आपके पास आपने जो अभी यूजर्स बनाए, ध्यान से देखिएगा, जो आपने अभी यूजर्स बनाए है ना, अब ये डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर दोनों अकाउंटेंट अकाउंटेंट कर दिया हमने, अकाउंटेंट। तो डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर के अगर हम राइट चेंज करेंगे तो दोनों के राइट चेंज हो जाएंगे। सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू क्रिएट वन रोल। हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक रोल बनाना पड़ेगा अकाउंटेंट का जो सिर्फ अकाउंट्स की एंट्री कर पाए। तो कैसे रोल बनाते देखें, गो टू द कंपनी, देन यूजर रोल, देन हियर अकाउंटेंट, अकाउंटेंट, अकाउंटेंट का रोल बनाइए, जस्ट क्रिएट अ वन रोल। एंटर। ओके, देन अकाउंटेंट, ऊपर नाम तो सिक्योरिटी लेवल अकाउंट आएगा, पर बेसिक फैसिलिटी इज अ डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर। I don't want to give the backdate voucher alteration. Only I want disallowed the complete voucher. Voucher creation इसके बंद करते हैं, disallowed करेंगे. Okay, then here you should allow the create alter receipt voucher, receipt and create alter payment voucher, payment. Because see, he is an accountant na. So I want accountant can do only the, can pass only the accounts related vouchers, that is receipt and payment. Is it clear? Clear na? So just saved it, control A, then alter the users and password. अकाउंटेंट के जो राइट्स हैं वो कौन से होने चाहिए, अकाउंटेंट के, अकाउंटेंट का रोल अकाउंटेंट के अंडर में होना चाहिए। मेक श्योर यू आर गेटिंग प्रॉपरली। Completed. Show the allow one. Okay, okay. ठीक, चेक करिए प्लीज। Clear? Control A, Control A. Do not forget to press the Control A everywhere, huh? Because see, Control A for save. Completed. Now, see, here it is given login as manager and create the master data. Master data कौन से होते हैं बताएं? Master data कौन से होते हैं? You have to create the capital ledger. You have to create the purchase ledger. These are the master data. You have to create the James and Company and Donald and Company. Okay, and then Charles and Company, that is created the Charles. No, Charles भी बनाना पड़ेगा. Charles and Company. These are the master data. Okay. Then purchase return account बनाना पड़ेगा. Purchase return. Then next is Victor. No, it is cash purchase, so no need to create the cash. James Traders and James Company, both are the different. James Traders are our debtor. So James Traders बनाना पड़ेगा. This is under debtors. Then sales account बनाना रहेगा. Sales account. Then Victor Traders. ये सब कौन बनाएगा? ये सब मैनेजर बना सकता है. ओके, विक्टर ट्रेडर्स. फिर स्मिथ ट्रेडर्स बनाओ. स्मिथ ट्रेडर्स सब लिख देती हूँ, फिर आप बनाइएगा. अपन बनाते हैं फिर बाद में लास्ट में. रिटर्न सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट. देन फर्नीचर अकाउंट. डेप्रिसिएशन account, then salaries account, wages, rent, electricity charges, wages, rent, electricity charges account, then electricity deposit and stationery purchased. Okay, electricity deposit, then stationery, and last is Wilson account. चलिए स्टार्ट करें. सो लॉग इन विथ मैनेजर. मैनेजर से कैसे लॉग इन करेंगे? वापस से टैली ओपन करिए डबल क्लिक करके. जल्दी जल्दी करिए प्लीज. देन ओपन दिस कंपनी, दैट इज ये आपको ये दिखाएगा. इसमें दिखाएगा एस्ट्रिक साइन पे. एंटर किया 1 2 3 एंटर. देन मैनेजर एंड पासवर्ड इज M. इज इट क्लियर? समझ आया? वापस से टैली खोल के फिर से कंपनी खोलिए. कैसे खोलेंगे देखें. जस्ट सिलेक्ट दिस कंपनी रिसेंटली क्रिएटेड जो कंपनी होगी, जैसे मेरी 1,24,000 आ रही है. एंटर 1 2 3 मैनेजर, देन M. प्लीज ओपन करिए कंपनी को फास्ट. डू फास्ट प्लीज. ओके, कितने स्टूडेंट्स की मैनेजर से ओपन हो गई कंपनी? हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हैव ओपन द कंपनी विथ मैनेजर यूजर? हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स ओपन द कंपनी विथ मैनेजर यूजर? Please answer me fast. How many students have opened the company with manager user? No? Open okay. So just open the company with manager user. Now start creating the ledgers, please. Purchase account under purchase. Purchase account under purchase. Okay. Purchase account under purchase, then purchase return account under purchase. Then Wilson. Okay, James traders account. It should be under sundry debtor. Here it is written James traders. It should be under sundry debtors. James traders under debtors. Then James and company. This is our sundry creditor. Control A. Sales account under sales. Control A. Sales return account under sales. Sales account, sales return account. Do simultaneously and do fast. Okay. Then the next is it is capital account. Capital account under capital. Control A. Then Charles and company. It is under sundry creditor. Charles and company, sundry creditor. Control A. And then Donald and company. Donald and company. Sundry creditor. Control A. Okay. Then Smith traders. Sundry creditor. Control A. Salary, wages, rent. Salaries account under indirect expenses. Then wages account under indirect expenses. Rent account under indirect expenses. Salary, wages, rent. Last is rent deposit account under loans and advances. Then depreciation account under indirect expenses. Okay, I'm showing you how many ledgers I have created in under which chart of accounts, then ledgers. Okay. See, these are the ledgers for the sundry creditors. Please make sure confirm kar lo. Indirect expenses में depreciation account, rent account, salary account and wages account. कितने ledgers बने हुए हैं प्लीज चेक करिए. Just create the ledgers. Make sure everybody created these ledgers, please. Make sure everybody created these ledgers. To open this view, you should click here the chart of accounts, ledgers, then multi-masters and alter all items. यहाँ से आप सारे आपको account एक साथ दिख जाएंगे. Then you can create from here also. यहाँ से बना भी सकते हो आप एक साथ. Is it? हो गया? चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो दिस इज अ यूजर. ये कौन है आपका मैनेजर है. ओके, दिस इज द मैनेजर यूजर. Once again you should open the tally. Once again you should open the tally. Select the company and password, that is 123. Now select here the accountant. A accountant. Just enter by accountant please. Now accountant can have the rights of only the receipt and payment. देखो receipt और payment ही है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता है वो. Okay, so he entered the entry F6 receipt capital. How much capital is there? कॉन्ट्रा के भी राइट्स देने थे ना हमें. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वापस से दे देंगे. कैश अकाउंट 2 लाख रुपीस, कैपिटल अकाउंट 2 लाख, देन कैश. एंटर. डोंट चेंज द डेट्स, हाँ, बिकॉज टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा. डेट मत चेंज करिएगा. डोंट चेंज द डेट्स. Now see, contra entry rights are not there. So whatever the like you open with a कविता, जो आपका एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर खुला हुआ है आप वो देख लीजिए. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर से उसको राइट्स दे दीजिए. कंपनी Then user roles, accounting. एक और राइट्स दे दीजिए अकाउंटेंट को यहां से पेमेंट के बाद क्रिएट अल्टर कॉन्ट्रा. एक और राइट्स दे दीजिए प्लीज. अलाउ कॉन्ट्रा एंट्रीज ऑल्सो. Okay. Okay. Now allow the contra entries also. Control A. Then open the company with accountant. Okay. Now enter the contra entry. Now he can enter the contra entry also. We need to refresh it again. Once shut the company, open the company, then accountant. Now he can do the contra entry also. Here is a contra. Okay. So what is the transaction for the contra? Cash deposited in IOB, but IOB is not created. So Kavita should, like manager should create the IOB account. So you should create here the IOB. That is the IOB is a Indian Overseas Bank. IOB account. It should be under bank account. Just create with a manager because manager have the rights to create the IOB account. And then accountant wants to pass the entry. Then cash 1 lakh rupees to IOB, a debit IOB. Now he passed the contra entry of IOB. He deposited the amount to the IOB. Enter, enter. $50, 2000 currencies in 2000 multiplied by 50. Is it clear? Who have done till right now? Like यहाँ तक किसका हो गया? How many students completed these tasks? How many students completed these tasks? How many students completed these tasks, please? No? Bhagyashree? Bhavya? Shankar Narayan? Done, na? Okay. So now the accountant enter the entry. Now the next entry is data entry operator credit purchase from Charles. So again you have to open the tally with a data entry. Again open the tally. One, two, three is a common password data entry. Now create a purchase voucher F9. F9 invoice number. Here it is given, invoice number is given. Invoice number 12. Now this time you should not open in the item invoice because you don't have the items. So if you don't have the items, then change the mode, accounting as vouchers. Okay, invoice number 12. In credit purchase, you purchased from Charles and Company 75,300. Enter. Enter. Then purchase account. Items I don't have, so you should not enter the any items. Is it clear? Shall we move ahead? Is it now? Okay. Now enter. Now purchase entry is completed. Now the next is again credit purchase from James as per the invoice number 253 for rupees 50,500. So F9 again the purchase 253 is the invoice number from James and Company. Yes, James and Company 50,000. How much amount it is? 50,500. Okay, now purchase account. Is it clear? Is it clear? So two purchases are completed by the data entry operator. Now the next entry, again the data entry operator credit purchase from Donald. So invoice number is 325. Donald, the amount is 60,000 rupees. Purchase. Okay, do it fast. I'm sure the transactions are completed now. Is it completed? Okay. Now the next is we completed the purchases. Now the next is purchase return from Charles. It is again the data entry operator. So here is the option F10 and then show inactive. Then debit note is there. And then again in the voucher mode, change mode in the voucher because we don't have the items. Okay. So Charles return us amount is 10,000. Enter. Here should be against reference. Against which reference? Invoice number 12. Then purchase return. Is it? Make sure you are completed, please. Is it? Now the next is purchase return from Donald also. So again, Donald, how much amount it is? 25,000. 25,000 against reference, this one. Then purchase return. Okay. Getting? Everybody is doing. Please answer me fast. Everybody is doing or what? Completed? Done. Okay. So enter, enter, enter. The next transaction is cash purchase from Victor. So there is no need to enter the Victor name, cash purchase. So instead of that, just press F9. Then again change mode, voucher mode. Then cash. How much amount it is? 35,600. 35,600. Enter purchase. Next is sales. So data entry operator pass this entry credit sales to James. So press F8 for sales. Then same change mode, voucher mode. Then James Traders. How much it is? 1,25,000. Okay. 1,000. Then sales. Is it? Now the next entry is make sure you are doing. I'm like is that's why I'm slowly entering the transactions. Then credit sales to Victor Traders. Victor Traders. So 002 Victor Trader. No, Victor Traders is not created. So data entry operator cannot create the Victor Traders na. So first go to the manager login. This is the manager login. Go to the manager login, create a Victor Traders as our sundry data. Now accountant can enter the entry, sales entry, or not data entry operator. F8 reference is 002. Now Victor Traders. But first of all, again check the transaction. Credit sales to Victor Traders 1,75,000. Victor Traders 1,75,000. Enter 002. Then sales. Next is credit sales to Smith Traders. Okay. So Smith Traders debit. The amount is 75,000. Then sales. Completed or like you are like doing or not? Doing now? Okay. Next entry. Cash sales 1 lakh rupees 004. So again pass the sales entry 004. Cash sales 1 lakh rupees. Sale. Now the sales return. So for that you need to pass the credit note. Again in a voucher mode. Then returns from Victor Traders 25,000. So Victor Traders credit 25,000. Enter against this reference and enter the sales return account. Select the sales return account debit. Is it clear? Next is I'm doing. Then if you like आपने नहीं करा तो आप उसके बाद भी कर लीजिएगा please. Smith Traders return as the 15,000. 15,000. Sales return account. नेक्स्ट इज पेमेंट मेड बाय कैश फर्नीचर. ये सब एक साथ आप कंबो एंट्री कर सकते हैं. ये कौन करेगा? अकाउंटेंट. सो जस्ट ओपन द अकाउंटेंट टैली. अकाउंटेंट टैली ओपन कर लीजिए. देन F5 पेमेंट. फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट. फर्नीचर नहीं बना हुआ है. ओके सो आई एम प्रेसिंग हियर द सैलरीज अकाउंट. ओके फर्नीचर बनाना है, बाद में बना लेंगे. सैलरी 50,000. अगेन डेबिट. wages. Wages is 30,000. Again debit. Rent. Rent 25,000. Again debit. Rent deposit. Electricity charges 12,000. Electricity charges is also not created. So okay, no issue. Rent deposit. It is 10,000. The name will be edited. Okay. Cash. Enter. Enter. Last stationery purchase. So F9. This entry by the data entry operator. F9. And change mode voucher from Wilson. Stationery debit. Okay, it is not created. So open the manager tally. Then create a one stationery under indirect expenses. Wilson under sundry creditor. And last is furniture account under fixed assets. Control A. Now data entry operator. First is the accountant make the payment for the furniture. 25,000. Enter cash. Okay, and then purchase. So data entry operator will do the purchase for the stationery. So payment, it should be in a JV. Stationery debit. How much amount it is? 2,000. To Wilson. Okay. We completed the exercise. Now see, the administrator can check who entered the entry. So open the administrator user and then check from daybook. See, here is entered by the accountant, entered by the data entry operator. Like if the some entries remain, so please remain it. Then please check the from the daybook, log in with your administrator account and then check the in the daybook. Everything is there or not. Is it? Who have the same view as per me? Who have the same views as per me, please? Who have the same view? Velipriya, Rohit, Tarun, Ujjwal, Bhavyashri. Who have the same view? Please make sure you have the same view. Same. Okay. I'm telling you how you will send me the assignment. Okay. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now how you can send me the assignment. Is it completed? Okay. So please check how you can send me the assignment. See, for that, in a data, there is an option of backup. there is an option of backup. Just take the backup from the open company. And here it is asking me the backup destination path, where you want to save my backup, where you want to save the backup. So you can specify the path from here also, C:/, or you can specify the path, select from drive, like C and online batch. And here also you can create the folder also, /backup, enter. Now it will asking you like, do you want to create the backup? Yes. Then enter. And for which company you want to take the backup? You want to take the backup for 24 number company. Enter and end of list. This is the thing, how you can send me the backup. Okay. Then now you can check C online batch and /backup folder I recently created. Now see, this is the backup. This file you should send me through the email, and I'll give you the email ID. I'll provide you the email ID. On that you will send me the backups. Okay. I'll provide you the email ID. This is the right way to send the backup. Is it clear? Is it clear? See, assignments you have, na? Ma'am sent you the assignments, na? So make that assignments and send it to me. But see, email ID I'll provide you day after tomorrow. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Is it? This is just a sample. Today we completed one example simultaneously and with user ID and passwords. Just take the backup like this. Whatever I told you, na, how you can take the backup. I told you, na. Is it clear? Which company? Every time, Suraj, you are asking same question. Alia, Suraj, please. Beta, you have the assignment sent by the Institute of Cost and Management Accountant. Okay. Ma'am sent you the assignments, na? So just create that, just make that assignments, take a backup and send it to me. But not right now, because first of all, you have to save the backups. Then I'll provide you one email ID. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot for the patience listening and doing the simultaneously the assignments. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care. Any question, please? Yes, only those assignments, Suraj. Only those. Whatever the problem you are facing, still we have remaining classes, 3 or 4 classes are remaining. Whatever the problems you are facing, please raise the question during the session. Only during the session you can raise the questions. Okay. Raise the questions during the session. If you have any doubt, then please raise the question during the session. We have still remaining 3 or 4 classes. Is it clear? So bye and take care. Thank you so much.